Reading through dense documents can be exhausting, but what if your notes could become a video, not just read aloud, but visually brought to life? Today, Google is doing just that. Introducing the next chapter in NotebookLM's Video Overviews, powered by Nano Banana. Video Overviews already turned your uploaded content into narrated videos. But now, they'll include contextual illustrations generated using Nano Banana. That means images, scenes, and visuals that help you understand and remember, not just listen. You'll have 6 new visual styles to choose from: watercolor, papercraft, anime, whiteboard, retro print, and heritage. Want your video to feel like a sketch, a comic, or even a classic print? You got it. And now, there's a new video format, brief. It's designed for moments when you just want the highlights, short, punchy, and to the point. Prefer the full deep dive? Stick with explainer. You get even more control. Tap the pencil icon to customize. Focus on specific sections like cost analysis or recipes. Pick your visual style, or tweak exactly what part of the doc you want to see animated. Once your settings are in, sit back. NotebookLM runs the video generation, combining narration, visuals, and context to create something both beautiful and useful. NotebookLM's video overviews are leveling up with Nano Banana. It's not just reading your notes, it's animating them, interpreting them, and helping you see the ideas. This feature rolls out first to pro users in supported languages, and will expand soon. Are you excited to watch your documents come alive? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI updates.